Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your USCIS case status online. If you have an immigration application that is still pending, checking your case status online is a simple way to see the latest update from the USCIS. So this can be helpful because it lets you know the latest update from USCIS. It lets you know if your case was received, if it is still being reviewed, or if USCIS sent you a notice or request for more information. So to start, go to the official USCIS website at uscis.gov, and once you're on the website, look for the option that says Check Case Status. So this is the page where you can enter your case information and see the current update for your application. And before you continue, make sure you have your receipt notice with you. This is the notice USCIS sends after they receive your application. On that notice, you will find your receipt number. So this number is important because USCIS uses it to track your specific case. Next, type your receipt number into the case status box and make sure you enter it correctly because even one wrong letter or number can stop the system from finding your case. After that, you may be asked to confirm that you are not a robot and just follow the instructions on the screen, then click the button to check your status. And once the page loads, USCIS will show the latest update for your case. Sometimes the message may simply say that your case was received and is still pending. That is very common, so do not worry if there is not a big update right away. In other cases, it may say that USCIS mailed a notice, requested evidence, or made another update on your application. If the system says a notice was sent, make sure to check your mailbox and watch for any letters from USCIS. You can also create an online USCIS account if you want to see some updates online and keep track of your case more easily. And that is how you check your USCIS case status online. It only takes a few minutes and it can help you stay updated while you wait for your application to move forward. That is over today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.